Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. If root 50 plus root 18 minus root 8 is equal to a root 2, what is the value of a? Of course, here a root refers to square root. So let's solve this problem. We begin by factorizing the number inside the radical into its prime factors. So 50 is going to be 2 into 5, that is 10, into 5, that is 50, plus square root of 18. So that would be 6 threes are 18. So 3 into 2 is 6, into 3 is 18, minus root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. This is equal to a root 2 that is given. Okay, so there are two fives here in the first term, so I can get 1 5 out. So I have 5 root 2. There's two threes inside the radical sign. I'll get 1 out. 3 root 2 minus two twos under the radical sign come out as 1 2, and there is 1 2 inside is equal to a root 2. Now on the left hand side, I find that root 2 is common to all the terms. So I rewrite it as 5 plus 3 minus 2, which is equal to a root 2. And so this is going to be 6 root 2 is equal to a root 2, which means a is equal to 6. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please drop them in the comment section. And I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much.